Thank you, Chair. Tell no lies, claim no easy victories, and expose corruption wherever you find it. Dr. Imran Kika lodged a complaint with the South African Human Rights Commission alleging shortages of staff and lack of funding in health technology machines for screening, diagnosing, and treating of cancer in KZN province. This, it is alleged, has a negative effect on the provision of oncology services in the KZN. The Commission investigated the complaint to determine whether the alleged shortages of health technology machines and delays in the provision of health care services constituted a violation of the rights to have access to care services in terms of Section 27 of the Constitution. The Commission addressed a letter to the Department of Health in which it set out the allegations brought to its attention through the communication of the complaint and afforded the department an opportunity to respond to the allegations. A team from the Department of Health visited the facilities in KZN to verify the complaints and solve the problems if it encountered any problems. This was on the 6th and 7th of June 2017 and was led by the Director General of the National Department of Health. The team visited 5 hospitals in KZN. The findings of the visit were presented in a form of a report to the Minister, and in the main, what was found to be common problems with the facilities visited, among others, were infrastructure, staffing, lack of essential medication, equipment, supplies, and poor supply chain management. The second visit took place on the 13th June 2017, which was led by the head corporate services for the Department of National Health and comprised of cluster managers and provincial financial management support and sector-wide procurement, and also by the SAICA representatives. The key points that formed part of the discussions during the visit included the findings of the Auditor General South Africa, which showed material weaknesses that led to audit qualifications of the KZN Department of Health, which was attributable to, amongst others, the following: irregular expenditure, irregular asset management, committed overtime, delegation of authority for both SCM and human resources. The third visit took place on the 1st of August 2017, which was the follow-up of the meeting which took place on the 13th of June 2017. This team was led by the Chief Financial Officer, National Department of Health, and supported by cluster managers and provincial financial managers' support. The purpose of this visit was to track progress made in addressing the issues that were raised during the visit of the 13th June 2017, wherein it was noted that some progress was made in relation to the vision of the delegation, to the visit of the delegations of the authority and human resources, which were approved on the 21st July 2017 and 19th July 2017, respectively. During the Minister Mutwaledi's visit on the 18th August 2017, he made a commitment to appoint a team that will work closely with the provincial treasury and ensure essential equipment and consumables needed in KZN are identified, procured, and maintained accordingly. The HRC report cites Dr. Imam Kika as a complainant and Eddington Hospital, Inkosi Albert Lutuli Hospital, Department of Health KwaZulu-Natal, and the MEC, Department of Health KZN, as first, second, and third and fourth respondent respectively. The Minister of Health placed on record he was not informed of the investigation, and hence neither the Minister nor the officials of the National Department of Health were interviewed during the investigation. The Minister and his officials learned of the investigation from a newspaper report. An official copy of the report was officially received for the first time after it was requested from the South African Human Research Council on the 4th September 2017. Had the investigation become known to the Minister and report has been released, the Minister would have shared the key activities already in progress dating back to 2011 within a context of roles and responsibilities as per the National Health Act of 2003. Findings appear to be common experience by the country were shared with respective provinces, including KZN. The DG found it necessary to reinforce delegations with HODs due to their non-compliance. During this time, doctors undertook a march and handed over a list of demands which the National Department of Health...
Honourable Member, your time is now expired.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chair.